Hello students, today we are going to study the different types of numbers. So first of all, let us study what are the natural numbers. So what are the natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers which are starting from 1, 2, 3 and goes up to infinity. There is no end. Okay. Then there comes the whole numbers. When we add 0 to natural numbers, we will get the whole numbers. Okay. Now also there are, in natural numbers, there are odd numbers and there are even numbers. What is odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 are the odd numbers. And what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8 are the even numbers. Then there comes the integers. When we add negative numbers to whole numbers, that means minus infinity, then minus 1, 0, 1 up to infinity, these all numbers are integers. Okay. Then there comes the prime number. Prime number. What do you mean by the prime number? Any number that is divided by itself and the number 1 is called the prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Remember, all odd numbers are not prime numbers because 2 is also a prime number although it is an even number. Okay, because 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Hence 2 is divided by 2 and 2 is divided by 1. Okay, 2 is not divided by any other number. Hence 2 is an even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number, we can say like that. Okay. Now there comes the square numbers. Square numbers. What do you mean by the square numbers? When the same numbers are multiplied, we get the square numbers. That means 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Hence 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on are called the square numbers. Then there comes the fractions. Fractions. What do you mean by the fractions? Fractions means what? It is a common vulgar fractions. Okay, common vulgar fractions means was where the denominator is greater than the numerator. They are called the vulgar fractions. Hence 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 and so on. We get the fractions. Okay. So fraction consists of numerator and fraction consists of denominator also. Also, we can write decimals as a fraction also. Okay, likewise, like this way. 28 by then. So, this is the fraction form of a number and this is the decimal form of a number. So, now let us start the exercise. Okay, question number 1. Here is a set of numbers minus 4, minus 1, 0, 1 by 2, 0 0.5, 3, 4, 6, 11, 16, 19 and 25. List the numbers. So first, natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? Natural numbers are 3, 4, 6, 11, 16, 19 and 25. Okay. What are the even numbers? Even numbers are 4, 6, 16 are the even numbers. Okay. Now see, what are the odd numbers? Odd numbers are 3, 11, 19 and 25. Fine. Then what are the integers? Integers are minus 4, minus 1, 0. And then again 3, 4, 6, 11, 16, 19 and 25. Okay. Now negative integers. Negative integers are minus 4 and minus 1. Okay, fractions. Fractions are 1 by 2 and 0 0.75 is also fractions. Then square numbers. Square numbers are 4, 16 and 25 are the square numbers. Then comes prime numbers. Prime numbers are 3, 11 and 19 and there comes numbers neither square nor prime, that means minus 4, minus 4, minus 1, 0, 1 by 2, 0.75 and 6. Okay. Now question number 2. The next 4 odd numbers after 10. So next 4 odd numbers after 10, after 107, they are 109, 111, 113 and 115. Then 4 consecutive even numbers between these. See, there are many consecutive even numbers between these. Likewise, you can say 2010, 2012. Consecutive means consecutive number means what? There should be common difference between two numbers. Okay, so we can write as 2010, 2012 and so on, right? Or we can write as 2012, then 2012, then 2016 and so on. Okay, so you can write any numbers between these numbers. Okay, all odd numbers between 993 and 107. Okay, 993, after 993 comes 995, 997, 999, then 1001, then 1003, then 1005. Okay, so these are the numbers. Now for the first 5 square numbers, means 1 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 and 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Okay, first 5. Then 4 decimal fractions that are smaller than 0.5. See, there are many decimals. You can write as 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. Okay, or you can write as 0.49, 0.48, 0.47, 0.46. Any lot of examples are there, right? Fifth is 4 vulgar fractions that are greater than 1 by 2. You can write as 11 upon 20, 3 by 5, 13 by 20, 7 by 10 and so on. Okay. Now the question number 3. State whether the following will be odd or even. See, when we add odd plus odd, we always get even number. That means if we add 3 plus 5, we get 8 is a even. Okay, when we add even plus with even, we always get even number. That means if we add 2 plus 4, we get 6. When we add odd plus even, that means 1 plus 2, we get odd. And when we add even plus odd, we get 2 plus 1, we get always get odd number. Okay, so now let us answer the questions. The sum of two odd number is obviously even. The sum of two even number is obviously even. Students, if you don't get this, then take examples and write the answers. The sum of an odd and even, we get odd. The square of an odd number is always odd. Just check it out. 3 into 3 is what? 9. 9 into 9 is what? 81. 11 into 11 is what? 121. So these are all odd numbers. Okay. Then the square of an even number is obviously even. Check it out. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. Hence these are even numbers. Okay, an odd number multiplied by even number, an odd number multiplied by even number always gives an even number. Okay, so now question number. Now what do you mean by the perfect numbers? See, what are the perfect numbers? Okay, the perfect numbers are the numbers. So first of all, let us take a common example of perfect number, which is number 6. Now, what are the factors of number 6? It is a 1, 2, 3, and the number itself. So when we add this number, what we get? We get 12. And when we divide 12 divided by 2, we get again 6. So the number of the form this is called the perfect number. Okay, so let us take 28. So 1, 4, 7, 14, and 28. Okay, so we get what? 56, and 56 divided by 2, again we get 28. Hence 6 and 28 are the perfect numbers. Then there comes the palindromic numbers. B. Palindromic numbers. What do we mean by this number? That means when we write the number and when we reverse that number, we will get the same number. For example, 1 to 1, 1 to 3 to 1 of numbers. Okay. Now C is what? Narcissistic numbers. What do you mean by narcissistic numbers? So take one common these numbers. So when we cube the each digit of this number and add it, we will get the same number. Okay, so 27 plus 243 plus 1, we get 371. Okay, so here we end the exercise. And students, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel for the latest update and share it. Thank you.